Are you looking to buy a home here in the Metro Phoenix area, or maybe sell a home and you just don't know what to do? It's been a crazy roller coaster ride here in the real estate market. Prices are up, prices are down, prices are sideways. What's going to happen? In this video, we're going to sort it all out for you with the latest information from the month of October as to what's really happening in the real estate market. Hey everybody, I'm Mike Zahn with eXp Realty and Mike Zahn Homes. And if you need more information after watching this video, go down into the description below and book a call with us on our Calendly link, and I'll be happy to go over how it applies to your specific situation. Let's get started. So here's the latest report. The median price, this is the big news, the median price on homes in Metro Phoenix only went down 0.7% from October into November. What does that mean? Well, it means prices have sort of stabilized. They were coming down at about 3% or more per month, and this month the rate has gone down to 0.7% drop. That's a drop from an average of 478,000 last month to a median price of 474,900 this month. That's a big change in terms of the rate of decrease. It's basically unchanged. That's noise up and down. At the same time, the number of active listings has gone from 20,120 last month to about 20,573 this month. That's an increase of about 450 homes. That's not much in a town the size of Phoenix. What that means is that after going up 3,000 a month in terms of the number of homes on the market, instead of marching up at that fast of a clip, settle down in again, just like the pricing has. At the same time that's happening, the number of sales has dropped. We went from about 7,300 last month to about 6,700 this month. We've gone from average days of market last month of 48 up to about 56 this month. That's a fairly big increase in the days on the market. It's a 17% increase in the number of days it's going to take to sell your home. But what's interesting, the number of days the active listings have been on the market is now at about 73. So it's well above the 56 days it's been taking things to sell. And because that's higher, that's been bringing up the average days on market consistently for the past several months. So what does this mean for you as a buyer or a seller here in the Metro Phoenix area? Well, the good news is, the big news is that it appears prices and inventory have stabilized at their current levels. Does that mean it's going to stay that way? Absolutely not. This is one data point. It is October. Now, to know for sure whether it's going to continue this way, we'll have to see another month, maybe 2 months, showing consistent activity moving forward. Is that going to happen? We don't know. But for the first time in 3, 4, 5 months, we have seen it stabilize, and that's big news. As a buyer, what that means is that if this continues, this is a great time to buy. Interest rates are as low as they're going to be in the foreseeable future, and home prices, they may come down a little bit, but you also run the risk that if we are leveling out, what happens after things level out after coming down? They'll either go straight or they will oftentimes go back up. We don't know. But again, if you buy the home today, you're getting it for 15-20% less than you would have earlier this year, and you're getting the best interest rate you're going to have probably for the next 6 months to a year, maybe even a year. So you ought to consider buying right now. The other good thing is we're coming into the holidays, and over the holidays, sellers get anxious. The home hasn't sold yet. What are we going to do? We thought it would be sold by now. There's fewer people looking at homes, and that makes them more anxious, but it's just normal holiday doldrums in real estate here in Metro Phoenix. They'll pick up again after January, and at that time, if I were to predict anything, if prices continue to be level, come January, you'll see them start to edge up again. But we shall see. That's my crystal ball for what it's worth. As a seller, should you sell now? You know what? Not a bad time to sell right now, and here's why. Again, prices are stabilizing. You're going to have an influx of buyers. That influx of buyers could bring prices up, but at the very least, it's going to make your home more competitive so that you don't have to give as many seller concessions. You may not have to wait as long for it to sell, and your pricing might be a little more stable. You're not going to get the lowball offers that I've been seeing coming in lately. And speaking of what's been coming in lately, this is also big news, and it kind of goes along with what I've been telling you. I had 8 listings a month ago. Today, I have sold 5 of those 8 listings, and of those 5, they have all sold within the last 2 weeks. Why is that important? It means buyers are back out in force, and if my experience is similar to other agents, and according to other agents it kind of is, we're going to see perhaps an increase in the number of homes sold in the month of November over what we saw sold in the month of October. So we could see sales starting to pick up. I know they've picked up on my end. What that means is, again, it's getting a little more competitive, whereas you might have been able to offer a real low price a month ago. The seller might be less inclined to drop their price now. Some of them still are. It just depends on their mindset. But don't be surprised if you get some pushback at this point. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's given you some ideas. If you need more information, go into our description down below, book a call with me on our Calendly link, or if you just want to see what's available in homes for sale, go to my website right here. We update it every 5 minutes, so it's the best home search site in town with accurate up-to-the-minute information. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video, and thanks for watching.